You owe it to yourself, Joe, to do a good job at this. Only you can do this. Not Constance, not me. All healing is self-healing. You have to do the work with this, Joe. Just imagine these negative emotions are exploding in the heat of the sun like dynamite. Hear them explode. Pow! Feel them explode. Feel them exploding. Hear them explode. See them explode in red, orange, yellow, green, purple, indigo, white, silver, gold, and blue. Look at that healing color of blue exploding. All of that. See the word sadness again being blown to smithereens. S-A-D-N-E-S-S. See it explode. See it go into little bits and pieces. Neglected. N-E-G-L-E-C. T-E-D. See it in the sky written, and all of a sudden the word disappears. Like it's disappearing from your being. Like sadness is disappearing from your being. Disappear. Sadness and neglect. Disappear it, Joe. You do it.